Hi everyone. So I'm getting emails regarding kind of how to go about doing the logs and what you need. So I wanted to go through and explain it. I know I've done a start here video, but I'll go through and explain it again. Basically, for this class, you are required to do weekly logs that show me what you are doing in terms of your aerobic activity, whether that's running or walking the dog or swimming, something that gets your heart rate up, okay? So for week 1, that's going to be under this weekly workout log that's due on May 31st, okay? And we'll click on that. See, so you're going to upload your first weekly log. It can be in any format. So you can have Monday, or I'm sorry, we'll start Tuesday. Tuesday the 26th, walked dog, 1 hour, heart rate. If you have calories burned, if you have an iWatch, great. If not, just how far you went and your heart rate. And I will show you where to figure out your heart rate. And you're going to just put it under submit assignment. Okay, so I'm going to go back into home, go through the start here. So before you do your weekly log, I need you to do your 1 lap test. I know a couple of you have reached out. The tracks aren't open. 1 lap is 1/4 of a mile. Okay, so if you have a phone, smartphone will tell you how far 1/2 of a or 1/4 of a mile is. And the distance measuring technique, I believe I fixed, so you shouldn't have a difficult time with that. Sorry, I think I keep freezing. The schedule is you are creating your cool down and your warm up schedule. Okay, that can be any schedule you would like. And then you're going to figure out your target heart rate. Okay, those are the assignments. Those are the assignments that will be due before your weekly log. Okay, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Every week you are going to do a weekly log as well as the discussion posts. The discussion posts do not need to be cleared with me before. You just post, okay?